Hey, my amazing pandas! Welcome back to another shoe review. We are reviewing boots. It is boot season, and I'm getting prepared for Christmas. I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to celebrate early. I'm one of those people. So these are from Vocosi. Oh my god, I love this brand as it is anyway. But check out how gorgeous these boots are. So they literally look like Louboutins from far. Unfortunately, they're not, which is a shame. But never mind. I've got the next best thing here. Boxed up really nicely. I love the way that they box them. Box is pristine. They're padded out really nicely in their own shoe bags. There's no damage anywhere. Honestly, they're brilliant. I really can't fault it whatsoever. This is just me trying to take out the padding of the shoe because it is quite like in there. But yeah, I've got to say they're lovely. They've got this really nice lining inside of them, which is really lovely and soft. So yeah, I can't wait to get these bad boys on. Slipping the babies on, zipped up and ready to go. I'm loving them. Simple, effective, statement, classy, sophisticated. All those words are these boots. I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love them. The heel height is brilliant. You don't feel like you're walking on the balls of your feet the whole time, which is really nice. And you know me, I love a high heel, but these are actually gorgeous and something I could probably wear like near enough all day and not have an issue with. I love the fit of these. Absolutely perfect. Whether I wear them with tights or socks, I know these are going to work. These obviously have side zips which go all the way down to the bottom, which is great. So you can fully slip your foot in properly. Honestly, I've got nothing but amazing things to say about this pair. I think they're gorgeous. They're such a gorgeous looking pair. I love them too much. I just love them too much. But yeah, this is one of my favorites, and literally I can't wait to review the rest. Honestly, I'm super excited for boot season. Boot season. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'm going to leave you with a little bit of ASMR and see you in the next review.